Are we supposed to leave right now? What are you doing? We're supposed to leave. This is literally every time we have to go somewhere.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Static Garage. Today is a long and anticipated day because we're gonna be heading out about like 2 hours away. Go get Martin's car dyno tuned. I know we haven't talked much about it. Now's the time to give you some full details on what we're doing. Chacha and Stephanie are both gonna take Martin's daily, this boosted Ultima. We are gonna need some extra gas just to probably make it there, so we have a 5 gal and a 2 gal, and we're gonna be looking at some E85 stations over there because this one's filled up on 20 gallons. No more negative camber. This thing is straight on. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this for 2.5 hours.
But it's so loud in here.
Here's a rundown of what we're going to be doing. RZG, if you guys don't know them, they're huge in the tuning community for Z's and G's, and actually a lot of other cars, and they do have world records for their Z's. They're located out of state, so they're not in California, but the tuner is going to be coming down. Going uphill is not a good idea in a straight pipe car. Honestly, I think it's way too loud. In here it sounds really loud. I can barely hear myself talk. I don't know how it is on the camera, but instead of talking to you guys through all this, we are going to be stopping to eat about midway there or closer to the tune spot. So we'll just be right back up with you guys there. Okay guys, so we just got off the freeway. It's not too loud anymore, and I lost my voice from just us having a normal conversation.
We have to keep yelling.
We are going to stop by and get some McDonald's just to hold us off for today. There are different dyno sessions for different people, because how many spots are available?
There's like 6 or 7 people.
We're one of few that have a DE.
Yeah, there's probably maybe 1 or 2 more that are DE, but
we're the little guys here.
Onto Westminster Boulevard.
Turn right to Westminster Boulevard. Where'd you get that hot?
You're hanging out with me too much, bro.
Got
the breakfast of champions. I get 2 hash browns, a deluxe, and a large strawberry banana smoothie. You guys ready to make probably the least amount of power out of everyone there?
nah, there's another DE.
Well, that's our only competition right now. Everyone else is out of our league. Thing's fucking bad, bro. Thing's fucking sick, dude. Carbon fiber over fenders, carbon fiber doors.
Oh, this is a project car right here.
No, this shit's fucking dope, dude. Hey, bro, how can you tell this is an HR?
The head.
What headers are these? DC?
Yeah.
We should make like, are you on E or no?
Yeah.
Yeah? We should make pretty close to the same numbers, I think. Is it built or no?
No.
No.
We swapped in a newer motor. It only has like 90,000 miles.
Okay.
Doesn't burn a single drop of oil.
Well, this is a rev up, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll probably be a little higher than ours.
I'm hoping max 280. I just don't know if it'll get there. It's hard.
Yeah.
Especially without cams.
Yeah, I don't even know what I'm gonna make. I've only been sheet tin before, so I'm at 27 right now, full cage with me and at full tank of gas.
27? What the fuck? We're gonna be seeing how much Sheldy puts down because he's actually going E85 as well, and he's non-rev up and Martin's rev up, so we're trying to see how much power each one makes. This Sheldy's car weighs in at like 2,700 pounds, which is fucking nuts. Like, that is so light. That's like 800 pounds lighter than how it was, and that's probably because of the tube front end. Everything's carbon fiber, especially those fucking doors. But that's nuts. I warn all of you guys, being in here is gonna be so loud that we should probably step outside. That's 240 272 right now. So far, 240 and 240 torque.
Huh?
The base run was 240 wheel.
That's it?
Just cracked 260. So let's see. 260 right now. Let's see what we can get. Oh, that's not bad, bro. I said 274.
I was hoping 277.
We'll cool it down a little bit,
Yeah.
give it 15 minutes, and then we'll see.
Let's see. All right. I still think 274. So right now we're letting it cool down. The RZG tuner god said that we should get a little more power. We just don't know yet. We let it cool down for about 15 minutes, and it cooled down pretty fast. So right now we're gonna do another run. Try to hit 274. Come on, let's get it. One more horsepower. Okay, he just hit 274. That's what I told him that he was gonna hit, but I mean, there might be some room for power, but let's see. 274, 258.
We're gonna see and make a last few adjustments, see if we can pull that extra horsepower out of it.
Yeah, it's like rounded off 275, so that's pretty good. What do you think? Is that pretty good?
Yeah, it's pretty good for a rev up. I mean,
No cams?
yeah, no cams, it's real good. Very consistent, bunch of runs, you know, all within the horsepower too.
Yeah.
We're gonna let it cool down. Intake temp's getting about 110 degrees, so
Yeah, that's pretty
we're gonna let
hot.
it cool down and see if we can
I
do
mean,
it.
that's really good that it's staying consistent though.
Yeah, even with the heat going up,
Yeah.
so.
We do have the little 2.5 gal all buttoned up.
You look like ketchup and mustard. Can we some more elote?
274.9, so 275.
You ready?
I guess.
Watch you guys' videos.
Really? Thank you. Sick ass fools. What's your name?
Esteban.
What's your Instagram?
Esteban Castillo _.
I'll make sure to put it.
Alright, thanks, bro.
Yeah, we'll be right back.
Alright, for sure.
It's gonna get up running.
We were about to leave and end this part of the vlog, but Mr. Sheldy wanted us to stay. So we're gonna be waiting to see his dyno results, and I believe he's one away. Whoa, sick ass fool! Your first dyno.
What did you say?
I can't hear you.
I can't hear you. My ears are bleeding.
After, I would say like a 2.5 hour drive, we just came back and the G was good. Chachin ended up going with him. I ended up driving the Altima. I was falling asleep because I can't drive boring cars anymore. Stephanie was actually cooking up some new merch designs coming very soon. And hers are hard, bro. Now that we're back, Martin, do you feel a difference?
Yes.
This definitely tempts me to get a 350. I don't care HRDE. Honestly, would end up probably getting a DE and building it so me and Martin can do a challenge. See who can get the most power. Ooh, nitrous. You guys want to see that? So make sure to subscribe so we can do some crazy shit for you guys. That shit does feel a lot better, bro. Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck!
Is he looking?
Oh! Bro, the car was right there and this was fucking shooting flames right now. One, two, three. That shit's fast, bro. That shit's fast as fuck. This video was definitely one for the books, and I'm actually going to be going back to school in 2 days. So we have, this is gonna be a good ending, and we also have another big thing coming tomorrow, which, I mean, it's gonna be probably a big shocker to you guys. Not tomorrow in the schedule, but tomorrow. Yeah, our tomorrow. So I can't wait to show you guys what we have in store. And the car pushed good numbers. I'm not disappointed. It went more than what I expected. I wanted to hit 280 wheel, but like without cams, it is what it is. But see, they're proud of you, Doug. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share. I'll see you guys on the next one.